Hey guys, here's Ty again with another video, and in this video we're going to make mayonnaise, which we are going to use it in the future to make a mayonnaise cake. Yeah, it sounds yucky, but it's the best cake you can ever taste. And so we're going to start. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. Don't forget to subscribe and share and like and hit that notification bell. So we're going to need a teaspoon of mustard, a pinch of salt, just for the taste, 1 tablespoon of sweet white vinegar, 2 tablespoons of oil. I chose to use olive oil, and 1 egg. It's better to use a blender or this hand blender, which is very fast. So we're going to add oil again, just a bit. Becoming thick. Then we're going to add a bit of oil again. I'm going to add a bit again. Now it's becoming a bit hard for the machine to make because it's really heavy. Now my mayonnaise is done. I will delete that part. The mayonnaise is done and ready to be served. If you like this video, like it, subscribe, share, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that when I upload, you'll get a notification. Thank you.